What are you guys doing?
We're going to search all in the green bean.
The green beans?
And the green plants. To see if we find any good ones.
Hey, Kylie, you've got a bunch.
What? Well, we have been working on that. The main part of the...
I know you're not.
You're supposed to pick... I mean, I'm helping.
What about these ones right here?
I thought they weren't big enough.
Alright, let's see what we got. That pot's full, and the egg basket's full. We have some more inside. So we're going to get to canning those today. Alright, just took 7 quarts of green beans out of the canner. Still boiling in there. Their seals have been popping, so they're sounding good. We'll leave them there to rest for a little bit. Alright, so we're heading out here to the garden. It's gotten kind of out of control. CJ and I have been sick lately, but we're feeling better. And need to get out here and see what all there is to find. So here we have some carrots that actually did end up coming up. This is the only one, so I won't be able to can these or do much with them, but I can grow carrots. Our onions are doing really well. Almost time to grab those. Something else that I've never grown before, but look at these things. We've got lots and lots of peas. So here's what we got. We got some peas, an onion, a tomato, and 6 bell peppers. Some purple and green. We have an overabundance of peppers right now, so let me know what are some of your favorite recipes. I'm always on the market for new recipes, trying new things. Hopefully we can get the girls, you know, eating more different vegetables and stuff like that. So let me know in the comments, what are some of your favorite things to make with bell peppers? What are we doing?
Gonna go take care of the animals.
Who do we start with?
The chickens.
Alright, let's go. Get some scraps. Mostly green bean ends. When we canned our beans today. How many did we get?
I don't really count.
You can count them. It's a bunch. Are you okay?
Look at the camera.
They're getting big.
Yeah.
They know it's feed time. They're like, come on, what are we doing? Hey, what are you doing up here? Hazel? What are you doing, huh? That's right on their back.
I can't do it! I can't do it! Just do that. That's all you have to do. Look at that.
What do you see?
Whoa! A pumpkin. That's definitely a pumpkin.
Look. Oh yeah. Here.
Ow.
Let me see.
It's spiky.
Yep.
Ow. Ow.
This one's getting big.
I wonder what's like in there. Our sunflowers already grown. Wait, what was that first line? Okay, I hope you guys liked this video. And comment down below. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.